Sorry, Henry.
There's clearly something wrong with your brakes, James. You barely managed to stop. I don't think you should be racing.
Maybe we should drive.
Good idea.
No, you're just worried that I'll win and prove that I'm the fastest red engine on Sodor.
I don't care about that. You need to go to the steamworks and find out why your brakes aren't working properly. I'll deliver your trucks while you're having your brakes checked.
Oh, fine.
But when James stopped at the next signal, his brakes didn't make the horrid noise they had before.
Huh, they didn't make a noise that time.
A few moments later.
Oh, my giant forehead. I think so. How's my paint looking?